Welcome! When working in a large Excel spreadsheet and scrolling quite a bit, it can be easy to lose track which row you're on. Or you're sharing your screen and viewers are finding it difficult to see which cell you have clicked. Now in Excel, there's a really neat built-in feature that highlights your active row and column automatically, with no formulas, no conditional format, nothing manual at all. It's called Focus Cell and you'll find it in the View menu. Simply head up to the View tab in the ribbon at the top, look along the ribbon and you'll see an option called Focus Cell. Just click it and that's it on. Now as you click around your spreadsheet, you'll notice that the entire row and column of whichever cell you've selected gets highlighted. It makes it really easy to find the cell, especially in a wide spreadsheet with lots of columns. And if you would like to turn it off again, just simply go back to View, click the focus cell again to toggle it off. A point to note is that Focus Cell is personal to your view. If you share the file, others won't see it unless they turn it on themselves. You can also change the highlight colour simply by going to View, clicking the drop-down arrow next to Focus Cell and selecting Focus Cell Colour. I'll select this blue colour and my Focus Cell colour updates. And that really is all there is to it. It's one of these features that's been sitting there quietly and a lot of people just haven't noticed it yet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.